spigot here. When they run it, it's leaking somewhere, but I can't. Okay, you can stop. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. I see it now. Still really can't see what's going on there, but oh, I think I see the burst pipe right there. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's the brake right there. All right, so all right, so we're gonna go ahead and just cut the pipe here. I have to make a cut somewhere along the way, so this is about the closest we can go. I've already shut it off here, so hopefully that shut off works. Alright, let's go back outside real quick before I can cut that. Make sure the water's out of it as much as possible. Alright, so it's already off. Good. Just want to confirm that. Alright, here we go. Let's cut it. And we can pull that old one out. Let's have a look at that pipe too. Almost there. Let's see. Looks like we still look like that shut off ain't working. It's not working. I mean, look at it. It's one of them old ones. They never work. These don't seem to shut anything off either. So we're gonna have to go to the main. All right, so now that we've cut it, we can have a look at it. See what went bad. Oh, it's this kind. These seem to be notorious. This type right there. Oh, there's the brake right there. Yep, these are not frost-proof pipes at all. How are we looking here? We got wood there. It wasn't even screwed on either. So we definitely want to screw it in. All right, so I've got the water main shut off. It's still not stopping the flow. The water mains don't work, the shutoffs don't work. This doesn't work. So we're gonna have to put a new shutoff here and then put a new faucet out. All right, so now we have one of the situations where the water cannot shut off anywhere. So when I cut this, it's gonna go everywhere and I gotta get this shark bite on fast and turn it off. After that, then I'll be able to work. Situations, this is where shark bites come in extremely handy. Pre-clean that pipe all the way around. We're gonna cut it right about there and then push it right on so we can get this water under control. Cutting there. Alright, here it comes. So we're gonna have a blast. Push it on all the way. It locked in, turn it off. We now have control of the water finally. Alright, perfect. Now I can go turn the rest of the water back to the house. They can do their thing. Alright, so we'll turn everything back to full blast. Okay. Alright, so we got the push connect here. We got our PEX B. We're going to go ahead and push it through, see how much pipe we're going to need. All right, so kind of got this siding in the way. So what I want to do is I'm just going to pull this back out for a minute, and just for a second, I want to kind of trim this up, the siding a little bit, so I can get this to sit flat against this wood. Right now the siding's in the way, so let's clear that out a little bit. All right, so we have it pushed all the way out, and we've marked here where it needs to be cuts to make that full depth. Boom, there's the cut. All right, so there we are. We got the new shutoff valve on. We took PEX to make the distance between there and the outside faucet. Go. Let's go check. This was the old valve that, yeah, you can see it was done. It wasn't shutting off at all anymore. It had to be eliminated. All right, so let's check it out. See how we did. Get all the air out. There we are. We got one that's no longer leaking anymore. Yep, perfect. We'll even let this run just for a second, and just to show that it doesn't have any leak below.
I ain't gonna lie. Y'all ain't gonna lie. Shout out to y'all. I swear to God, nigga, I never brought a drink.
All right, there we are. No more leaks like we had before, if you remember. All right, so we turned it off, and there we go. No leaks. Everything's solved on that completely. Now they can use the hose again.